Hey, what's up guys, Francis Roman here again. Welcome back to my another new regular video. This episode is gonna be another tutorial for basic freeze. Last week I released my headstand tutorial. You guys can check that out. I'm gonna link that in the description below. Go check that out and learn how to do a headstand. This episode, it's gonna be about another new freeze, basic freeze, shoulder freeze. Before I start anything, I would like to remind you guys, before you do any exercises or workout or freezes or dance, please do warm up. It is dangerous to do a freeze without warm up. Without any further ado, I'm gonna proceed straight to the shoulder freeze. I choose to start with the right side. If you are comfortable with the left side, go with it. First of all, lie down with your shoulder on it and put your hands over here, right? Not too far, not too near, as long as you are comfortable with it. And then my way of doing it, I'm just gonna lift up my left leg, put my right leg on the floor, and if you're on the left side, vice versa, okay? I'm just gonna jump up a little bit, 1, 2, 3. Okay, if I fail, jump again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, until you can actually go high enough to actually balance yourself on the air. All right, open up. So now you see, it's easy, right? Pretty simple. I'm gonna do it again, all right? You got it? Now, I'm gonna turn on the left side. Left side's gonna be like this. So you see that? It's really easy, simple. Just train hard to get it. Practice every day, and I hope you get it. Isn't it cool to learn a freeze within 5 minutes? Subscribe guys. Before I end this video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Guys, if you are new here, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button, hit that like, and share it to your friends, and drop a comment on what you want me to do right next, which tutorial you want me to do right next. And guys, be sure to follow my Instagram right here. And guys, be sure to check out my music channel, Francis Roman. I do rap, I do music. I hope you guys like it. Go check that out. Hit that subscribe button to the channel and hit that like and share to your friends also. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Francis Roman here. Peace, Roman. I love you as always. Dope.